Hi, I'm Shannon Williams, and this is my component library. The first item I chose was an account page from Amazon.com. This account page has so much control, gives the user so much control over their account and their memberships and everything having to do with their information. Most websites want you to call customer support and change passwords and change everything, and here you can look up anything and change anything and edit anything in your account. It also has to the left here a buy it again section that pops up once you scroll over, that has a nice bright blue font with the little bright orange, which shows action, happiness. This is for the last few items that were purchased in your account to let you know, so you can keep up with what your purchases are. The color scheme for Amazon.com is hard to figure out, other than the orange that pops up everywhere, here and there for a splash, and then the logo for Amazon.com with the happy face smiling arrow that's orange. It's just basically pictures of products, so it's kind of hard to pinpoint. My second component is a blog that was from File Hippo. This is an article, or this is an aside to the website. It's in a little box over to the right. As your eye scans the page left to right, this is probably about the second thing that you would run across over here. The little blue icon of a newspaper. So it's using some iconography for the user just to know that this is a news area over here. There's thumbnails to kind of draw you in, to that you see the picture kind of lets you know what's coming up, what this article is about. A darker gray at the top with a little bit bigger font. It shows hierarchy over the normal size font that's a little lighter gray. This is a contact page from Walgreens, and this is not the footer. This was actually the contact page only. This was found in the footer under customer service, and it brought all this up. There was actually 11 different sections through which you can contact Walgreens, and you can contact them about specific things, the pharmacy or the website or customer service, and photos. This is only a few of them. There's actually 11, and within those 11 there's another 3, 4, 5 subcategories, and even the subcategories have drop down menus of even more specific things. They also have a live chat in case you can't find exactly what you want over here. This CTA, or call to action, is from snapfish.com. It's right here under the header, and it is a scrolling CTA. There's 3 items that scroll about every 10 to 15 seconds. One of them is always going to be an offer for whatever specific holiday or thing is going on. It's always something. It's Father's Day, it's Mother's Day, it's Christmas, it's whatever. They always have something special that's going on right here. And then the other 2 are just going to be about products that are always offered as just ways for you to use your pictures and show how they would look on different things. These buttons here are interesting because they're kind of a yellowish orange, and it seems like buttons that use a yellowish orange color are often used for shop buttons, and that's exactly how these are. This one right here is looked. It's like this is the place for the Father's Day gifts, shop here. So they kind of bring action to the page. This is another CTA, and this one is from TurboTax. This one is very straightforward. It's just a plain table that compares TurboTax, which is here in the nice bright colored area compared to these that are just in the neutral gray and white. Green is used to, it represents a money, and uh, has an effect, calming effect. TurboTax is using this green to show, it's using it sort of in the money context, where this is the best value, this is where you're going to save most money. And this right here is a nice blue that gives a calming, trustworthy effect, that TurboTax is the best of these three. It's the most trustworthy and reliable. Once again, here's the orange button that shows action. This features page is from apple.com. It's very straightforward also. It's got 4 thumbnails showing the latest features and upcoming items. They've got a new operating system for the pad and the phone. They've got one for the watch, and then they've got some kind of collaboration here with Showtime and a keynote speaker that you can stream. But they also have this link down here for one more item that they wanted to feature, and it's in a different colored font. It's in a bright blue, kind of drawing your attention down that we didn't have a picture for this one, but we want you to see it. And it draws the user's eye down. This footer is from Walmart. Walmart is one of the biggest retailers in the world, so they have quite a bit of information to put in their footer. Everything from credit cards to international customers to the privacy policy and contacting. It's once again, here's the orange button that shows action, and just the nice soothing blue colors used in the footer that promotes trustworthiness and stability. This is the Violet Barn, one of my absolute favorite websites. It's kind of a local business, so their website is a little bit cheesy, but it's beautiful. I love this color combination. The olive green in their list of definitions or meaning or connotations, classic is one of them, as well as black. Black also means power, but I think when these two are paired together, they both just show a classic style. With the use of the pictures of the violets that they grow, and then this little bit, a hint of a border down here of the violet leaves with this purple and pink that represent springtime and beauty and just freshness. This is just a well put together header. This is a 2-step login for my credit union. They use shades of blue and green, all of which are calm, soothing, trustworthy, peaceful, all the things that you want to feel when you are banking. You don't want to be excited with lots of red and orange and bright colors. You don't want to be, scared to death. You want to feel tranquil, and that's what these colors produce. There's a little bit of red here in the login, in the text for the login, but that is to draw attention. It's to alert you. This is where we start. This is the login. Type in your username, hit login. Then it brings you to the second step, where the icon, the account icon must match your banking ID and your password. This just gives the customer another step and a more secure feeling that their information is private. This is a search bar from Amazon.com, one of the most specific search bars around. They've got almost 40 different categories that you can search from, and a second area down here where you can search by department. This has got almost 20 different categories that break down into even more subcategories. A bright orange icon here for the search, meaning this is where the action is. You type in what you want, and then here's the action. Search here. And this is what I was talking about before. It matches up with the little orange happy face, and orange is happy and friendly, and that's the way they want you to feel while you're shopping. They want you to feel energetic and happy about shopping. And I appreciate your time, and thank you.